For today's learning work, you're going to start by going to Notability and opening a blank document, writing down this question, and then spending 5 to 7 minutes writing and answering this question. And the question is, how would you describe your life if you thought you were doing really well? What would that look like? So think about into the future or even now, if you were doing really well, how would you describe your life? So take 5 to 7 minutes of free writing and then come back to this video. Now that you've spent 5 to 7 minutes thinking about this question and writing about this question, you're now going to title your Notability document. We are moving into what is known as the Great Depression, which was America in the 1920s and the 1930s. So our learning work is going to be titled Great Depression Learning Work. So the document where you free wrote in, you're going to go up to the top and you're going to change the title to Great Depression Learning Work. And then you're going to write down today's learning targets. Well, I shouldn't say today, the unit's learning targets, which are, you're going to examine the cause and effects of the Great Depression. You're going to describe the impact of the New Deal on the local and national economy. And we're going to look at examples of micro and macroeconomics in this time period. Okay, so go ahead and write down learning target and then identify these 3 learning targets as in write them down in your learning work. Okay, and that is what you need to do to be prepared for class today.